What if I told you that 2 simple oils sitting in your kitchen could potentially help with various common ailments? A 73-year-old woman from India shared something with researchers that caught their attention. She hadn't taken a single pain medication in over 40 years. Her secret? A combination her grandmother taught her. Castor oil mixed with garlic oil, applied to specific points on the body. Some research suggests these natural ingredients contain compounds that may have beneficial properties. Note, this information is for education only and is not medical advice. Consult your doctor before trying any treatment. Results may vary. Now, let's start with the first problem that affects millions: chronic joint pain and arthritis. According to some research, the ricinoleic acid in castor oil may help reduce inflammation in joint tissues. When you combine it with garlic oil's sulfur compounds, the mixture creates a warming effect that may increase blood flow to the area. Here's exactly how to use it. Mix 3 tablespoons of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of garlic oil. Warm the mixture slightly, just until it's comfortable to touch. Apply it directly to the affected joint using circular motions for 2 minutes. Then, and this is crucial, wrap the area with a warm cloth and leave it for 30 minutes. Most people make the mistake of washing it off too quickly, but the absorption happens primarily in the 20 to 30-minute window. What's fascinating is that this same mixture has been documented in ancient Egyptian papyrus texts dating back 3,500 years. They called it the oil of the gods and reserved it for treating royal family members. Modern analysis has studied the properties of these oils to better understand their potential benefits. The second problem might surprise you: persistent headaches and migraines. Some research suggests that tension in the temporomandibular joint contributes to many chronic headaches. By applying our oil mixture to specific pressure points, you may help address some contributing factors. Take a small amount of the mixture, about half a teaspoon, and massage it into your temples using gentle pressure. Move down to the area just behind your ears, then along your jawline. The key here is consistency in the motion. Use your index and middle fingers, applying moderate pressure in small circles. Do this for exactly 90 seconds on each side. But here's what most people don't realize: the timing of application matters immensely. For headaches, the optimal time is at the very first sign of discomfort, not when the pain is already severe. The oils may work better preventatively than curatively. Additionally, some people find that applying the mixture to the base of the skull, right where it meets the neck, may help with tension. Moving to our third problem: digestive issues and bloating. Ancient Ayurvedic texts describe the navel as the body's power center. When you apply our oil mixture to the belly button and surrounding area, it may stimulate the vagus nerve, which is involved in digestive function. Mix equal parts castor and garlic oil for this application. Lie down and pour about a teaspoon into your navel. Using your palm, massage in clockwise circles, gradually expanding outward. This isn't random. Clockwise motion follows the natural direction of your colon. Continue for 5 minutes, then place a warm compress over the area. Some users report reduced bloating after using this method. The research continues to explore these traditional practices. Some practitioners believe that the belly button remains connected to multiple organ systems, which might explain why this simple technique is thought to affect everything from menstrual cramps to digestive comfort. The fourth painful problem is one people rarely discuss openly: hemorrhoids. The potential anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties of both oils may provide some relief. After consulting with health experts, the suggested approach involves creating a more concentrated mixture. Use 2 parts castor oil to 1 part garlic oil. Apply directly to the external area using a cotton pad. The cooling sensation from castor oil may provide temporary relief, while garlic oil's compounds could help reduce swelling. Leave it on for 20 minutes before gently cleansing. Repeat twice daily until symptoms subside. Internal application should only be done under professional guidance. What may make this approach helpful is the oil's potential ability to support blood vessel health. Hemorrhoids are essentially weakened veins, and the vitamin E and fatty acids in castor oil might help support venous structure, while garlic's compounds may improve circulation. Here's where things get even more interesting. Problem number 5 involves something affecting 1 in 3 adults: chronic back pain. The fascia, that web of connective tissue surrounding your muscles, often becomes restricted and uncomfortable. Our oil combination may help with these tissues. For back pain, you'll need assistance or use a long-handled applicator. Warm 4 tablespoons of castor oil with 1.5 teaspoons of garlic oil. Apply generously along the spine, focusing on areas of tension. The massage technique here is different. Use long, sweeping strokes from the lower back upward. This encourages lymphatic drainage while the oils penetrate into muscle tissue. Some users have reported finding this method helpful for managing lower back discomfort. The 6th problem might seem unrelated, but it's connected to everything else: chronic sinus congestion. The properties of garlic oil combined with castor oil's ability to draw out fluids may create a helpful combination. Mix the oils in a 1-to-1 ratio and apply to the bridge of your nose, across your cheekbones, and on your forehead above the eyebrows. Use gentle tapping motions rather than rubbing. This stimulates the sinuses without causing irritation. Additionally, place a small amount on your chest, right at the sternum. The vapors from the garlic oil may help clear airways while you sleep, but the next part is crucial because doing it wrong can actually backfire. Never apply the mixture inside your nostrils. The mucous membranes are too sensitive. The oils work through external application and aromatherapy effects. There's also a lesser-known technique. Apply a small amount behind your ears and at the base of your throat. These areas have thinner skin that allows faster absorption of the compounds. Problem number 7 addresses something millions struggle with silently: sleep challenges. According to some sleep researchers, the feet contain nerve endings connected to many body systems. By applying our oil mixture to specific foot points, you may help promote relaxation. Mix 3 parts castor oil with 1 part garlic oil and add 2 drops of lavender essential oil if available. Massage into the soles of your feet for 3 minutes each, paying special attention to the arch area. Then, put on cotton socks to maintain the treatment overnight. The oils continue working as you sleep, which some believe may support cellular repair and relaxation. The practice of reflexology supports this approach. The solar plexus reflex point, located in the center of the foot's arch, is thought to affect your autonomic nervous system. When stimulated with our oil mixture, some believe it may help shift your body toward a more relaxed state, which could be helpful for quality sleep. The 8th painful problem involves skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Some research suggests that castor oil's fatty acid profile may help support the skin's natural barrier function. When combined with garlic oil's properties, it might address both symptoms and underlying factors. Create a gentler mixture for skin application: 4 parts castor oil to 1 part garlic oil. Apply to affected areas twice daily, allowing complete absorption before covering with clothing. The process typically begins gradually, so don't expect immediate visual changes. Some people report noticing improvement after 2 weeks of consistent application. Moving to problem 9, muscle cramps and spasms. Athletes have used similar remedies for years. The minerals in these oils, particularly magnesium and sulfur, may help with muscle function. For acute cramps, apply the warmed mixture directly to the cramping muscle while gently stretching. For prevention, massage the oil blend into commonly affected areas before physical activity. The absorption rate increases with heat, so applying after a warm shower might enhance effectiveness. Some research suggests that the sulfur compounds in garlic oil may support glutathione production, an important antioxidant in the body. This might help reduce exercise-related stress on muscles, potentially helping with recovery after intense training. The 10th problem brings us full circle: fatigue and low energy. While this isn't painful in the traditional sense, the exhaustion can be challenging. By applying our oil mixture to specific points, you may help stimulate circulation. Focus on 3 areas: the inner wrists, behind the knees, and the lower back just above the tailbone. These points correspond to major energy meridians in traditional Chinese medicine. Use gentle circular motions for 2 minutes at each point, morning and evening. If you don't have castor oil or garlic oil, you'll find a link to trusted products from Amazon in the description. We're approaching the most critical part, because without the correct approach, you might get unexpected results. Always perform a patch test before the full application. Mix a tiny amount of both oils and apply to your inner forearm. Wait 24 hours to check for any adverse reactions. Temperature matters significantly. Oils should be warm, not hot. Test on your wrist first. If it's uncomfortable there, it's too hot for therapeutic use. Store your mixture in a dark glass bottle, away from direct sunlight. The oils remain potent for about 3 months when stored properly. The direction of the massage makes a difference. For circulation support, massage toward the heart. For relaxation, massage away from the heart. This follows lymphatic flow patterns and may enhance the treatment's effectiveness. Quality matters immensely. Cold-pressed, organic castor oil may retain more beneficial compounds than processed versions. For garlic oil, look for products that list allicin content. The investment in quality oils may improve results. For ongoing use, consistency is important. Apply the mixture twice daily for the first week, then once daily for maintenance. The body may respond better to regular, moderate applications than sporadic, heavy use. One final insight that research is continuing to explore: these oils may work on multiple levels. Some believe that areas treated with castor and garlic oil continue to benefit for hours after application. This might explain why many users report benefits that extend beyond the specific area treated. What would happen if everyone knew about these simple, yet potentially helpful remedies? The answer might change how we approach natural wellness altogether.